on, fools? We're out here in DuPont National Forest, checking out the leaves changing. Absolutely beautiful. We've been on this trail a few times. It leads down to a covered bridge and some really beautiful waterfalls. There's actually 3 of them in this section of DuPont National Forest, but the forest itself is huge. I mean, we counted at least 25, 30 trails. There's probably way more. It's free to come in, plenty of parking, plenty of restrooms. We're gonna keep on heading down and following the river and head into the next couple of waterfalls. One is called High Falls. This is the one we're at right now with the covered bridge. Then you have Triple Falls. And if you go all the way across the other bridge onto the other side, you have Hooker Falls, which is a lot wider, and all of them great for fishing and other activities you do out in the water. But this is our first time seeing it with the leaves changing, and I must say it's very beautiful. It's definitely worth a trip. Going up Buck Forest Road to the covered bridge. Oh yeah! When you get to this intersection, we usually go to the right so you can see the other falls, the Triple Falls that we were talking about earlier. And it's pretty much downhill. And then you come up this side over here. It's much easier, much more pleasant. Trust me, we've done it both ways. Learn from our errors. Go the way we're telling you.
The entire hike is worth this view right
here. You can head down this way to actually get down at the bottom of Triple Falls and climb on some of the rocks, but you're really not supposed to. You can fish in the river starting in October. Lots of big trout in them waters. Watch out for horse crap on the trail. They do ride horses on them, and you might step in the landmine or two, so be warned. The waterfall, Triple Falls. Almost there, baby. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. At the bottom of all these stairs is the best view of Triple Falls you can get. Lots of stairs, but it's worth it.
If you liked the video, show some love, subscribe, and click the bell icon.
Who needs a gym when you got all these stairs? leg day. This is the other side of the trail, and it's literally a huge steep incline. It's doable, but it sucks. So do like we do, start on the high fall side and work your way down and loop back around. It's much more pleasant, trust me. Left of the observation deck for Triple Falls, there's actually a big picnic shelter here where you can have lunch with the family, just take a breath. It's in the shade, and during the summer it gets really hot out here, so it's a great place to cool off, drink some water, and get refocused for the rest of the trail. This uphill is not long, but it's steep. Like I said, don't start from the other side. Right, babe? You're almost there. Come on. Save yourself, save your legs. Start from high falls once again and for the last time. And if you start from the bottom, Godspeed, my friends. Godspeed. Oh man, these are some magic woods. That leaf's literally just floating in air. Or is it? Ah, it's attached to a spider's web, but you can't even see the spider's web. That is cool. Crazy. Just follow the loop for salvation, my friends. Just follow the loop. Okay, so just to show you guys, we went ahead and parked down at the Triple Falls, Hooker Falls trailhead. The parking is brutal, so you might have to spin around a few times before you find a spot. But this is the spot my son loves to fish at. As you saw, the waters are perfect for trout. I mean, he literally pulled like 12 or 13 out, and he's only 11 years old. So if you like fishing, this is a great spot to catch some good trout. You see the bridge. If you continue up the trail, you end up on that side with the real steep slope we were telling you about. We might walk up to it just to show you what we're talking about. This is what it looks like if you start at the Triple Falls side of the trail at DuPont. So we decided to hike up to the steep side to show y'all, because we really want y'all to see it, so you can really see what we mean and why we're so enthusiastic about it. So this is what we were talking about. It doesn't look bad, but it just goes up and up and up and up. You're basically climbing up to a vantage point with Triple Falls. So you can do it if you want to work out. We've done it before. It's doable.
Do not recommend. No bueno.
No es bueno. Some pretty tall trees out here. Heard some acorns falling. Forgot my hard hat, so I guess I might get doinked here today, but it's okay. It's all a part of it. My head would heal and I'd come back stronger. We were here just a few months ago and this green fence wasn't here before, so not sure why they had to put one up, but who knows? Maybe some fools getting in there and messing with the animals. You know, they take care of their animals out here. Or it could just be a bunch of fallen trees and they don't want anybody to die. Hooker Falls basically runs along the river here. I don't know the name of the river off the top of my head, but that's really what it is. And you get to the bottom and there's a falls, Hooker Falls, and then a river where you can fish, fly fish, kayak, pretty much everything you do on the water out here. Easy trail, easy walking, plenty of oldsters, young people. The view is really nice, which you'll see here soon. So it's worth it. Hey, while you're here, why not?
Please subscribe.
We love you.